Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a crazy long time since I've met you all. Mature. Yeah, so today I'm going to be sharing a story that is really close to my heart. It's going to be very difficult for me to explain that what I was going through a couple of months back. So yeah, I have my whole family here. They're going to be sharing their experiences, that what was actually happening behind this life threatening situation which happened with me. Anyway, just to let you know, मुझे चश्मा नहीं लगा है. It's fake. So anyways, just let's go with the video.
हेलो एवरीवन थिंक जूही ने स्टार्ट तो कर ही दिया है आपको बताने के लिए कि व्हाट वेंट थ्रू. सो वी आर हर पेरेंट्स. आई एम हर फादर. माय नेम इज स्नेहदीप सिंह एंड शी इज पायल
कौर विरदी.
इट ऑल स्टार्टेड आई थिंक इट्स नाउ ऑलमोस्ट 2 years हुआ है. एंड आई यूज्ड टू बेसिकली नॉट गेट इन्वॉल्व और बिकॉज होल डे तो ऑफिस जाते थे एंड यू नो बट द मेन जो देखा हुआ है आंखों देखी, दैट इज़ यू नो माई वाइफ पायल एंड माई फादर यू नो हु बीन विद हर थ्रू आउट द डे एंड सीन हर कि क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ. इट वॉज रियली वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग एंड यू नो जो हो रहा था उसके साथ. पायल विल टेल यू कि क्या हो रहा था.
एक्चुअली इट ऑल स्टार्टेड 2 years बैक. 2 साल पहले स्टार्ट इस तरह से हुआ कि शी वांटेड टू जॉइन जिम. तो जिम तो उसने ज्वाइन कर लिया, लेकिन साथ ही साथ उसको जंक फूड खाने की क्रेविंग शुरू हो गई. एंड इतना मतलब एक्सेस, उसको इतनी क्रेविंग हो गई कि उसने बहुत एक्सेस अमाउंट में जंक फूड खा लिया. एंड उससे क्या हुआ, एंड वी जस्ट थॉट कि वो जस्ट जानबूझ के कर रही है.
एज बिकॉज एज है उसकी, तो
एज है, सब यही बोलते हैं कि चलो ये एज है तो
टीनेज
है तो लोग बच्चों का दिल करता है खाने के लिए. लेकिन वो झूठ बोलने लग गई हमसे. वो बिना बोले ऑर्डर कर लेना बाहर से, जंक फूड खाना. उसने इतना खा लिया, इतना एक्सेस अमाउंट में खा लिया दैट शी गेन लॉट्स ऑफ वेट. फिर उससे क्या हुआ,
she started even telling lies. मतलब
she started telling lies और उसको कुछ चीजें ना वो भूलने
लगी. वो काफी चीजें भूलने लगी
एंड रिपीट करने लग जाती थी वही बात. आफ्टर 10 minutes अगेन शी इज रिपीटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. वी जस्ट थॉट कि इट्स नॉर्मल. ठीक है, कुछ टाइम निकल गया, स्टिल उसने जंक फूड खाना बंद नहीं किया. और घर का खाना तो मतलब शी वाज
अवॉइडिंग. I think her studies also got affected. She had got very good marks in 10th or 11th, 12th में also she scored very well.
Even SY BCom
FY में अच्छे थे. SY then her marks, her academics also started going down.
तो शुरू हुआ उसका काफी हार्मोनल चेंजेस आने लग गए. बहुत कुछ लाइक menstrual cycle was not on time. Then धीरे धीरे she started urine infection, like she couldn't sense.
कंट्रोल नहीं होता था.
यूरिन कंट्रोल स्टार्टेड.
यूरिन कंट्रोल,
बेड वेटिंग वाज ऑन डेली बेसिस चालू हो गया. दिस वाज फ्रॉम ये हुआ है लास्ट अक्टूबर से.
शी वाज आल्सो डूइंग हर सीए के लिए प्रिपरेशन वगैरह उसने स्टार्ट की थी, व्हिच दैट कुड नॉट कंटिन्यू.
First of all, she couldn't concentrate.
Yeah. Initially, when she started, so उसका foundation when she was doing good, but then उसका foundation also suffered. She couldn't continue with her CA course also.
And I told my father-in-law, let's speak to a physiotherapist. He was a family physiotherapist.
Physician जो actually उसने मेरी मम्मी को भी ट्रीट किया है. सो वी नो हिम सिंस लास्ट 10 years. लाइक सो ही इज़ बीन यू नो विजिटिंग इन एंड आउट आवर हाउस. सो कुछ भी अगर फिजियोथेरेपी की प्रॉब्लम होती है, सो यू नो वी ऑलवेज कंसल्ट हिम. सो ही हैड जनरल बिकम लाइक अ फैमिली डॉक्टर. अभी आज के तारीख में अगर देखा जाए तो देर आर नो जनरल फिजिशियंस और फैमिली डॉक्टर्स वेयर इनिशियली 15 साल पहले हुआ करते थे. सो जब हम उसको उसके पास लेके गए, सो ही नोटिस दैट देयर इज some imbalance in her walking, and this case is nothing to do with the physiotherapist. So he immediately suggested कि हमें neurologist के पास जाना चाहिए. There he spoke to the neurologist. As soon as we went to the neurologist, he checked.
also sensed that there is some problem with her. After examining her, तो उन्होंने immediately बोला get her MRI done and
कुछ एक nerves का test भी बोला था.
हाँ, go to neurotherapist. उसने neurotherapist ने भी जब MRI की रिपोर्ट आई, she told take her immediately. उसने एक hint दे दिया था
कि there is something very serious, so a quick action we have to do. It was a weekend. Report मिली हमें, and then we Monday morning में पहले appointment थी which got postponed to afternoon, and then myself and my father we went to neurologist. जैसे उसने report देखी तो उसने हमें बैठने तक नहीं दिया. We hardly sat in his clinic for not even 5 minutes. He said ki get up and go right now. You go get her admitted and get the operation done, because उसका जो tumor था it was on the optic nerve. So he said कि if we delay she can also lose her eyesight, which was a great concern. Throughout her life will get affected. So उसने बोला कि you get her operated, and he suggested 4 hospital names. बोले ये बड़े hospital में ही कराना. So he gave us Bombay Hospital, he gave us Hinduja, he gave us Ambani and Leelavati. Since we are aware, we know कि लीलावती में हमने किया हुआ है, so we said no, we'll get her done in Leelavati, because मम्मी का भी ऑपरेशन वहीं पे करवाया था, and we trust Leelavati. He himself called up the neurosurgeon over there, but he couldn't speak directly, but spoke to one of the doctors who arranged an appointment immediately next day for us. And we also told him, is it possible if we can delay by a week or 10 days, because my son is in 10th and उसके final exams, board exams चालू थे. So he said nothing doing. Board exams वापस आ जाएंगे. Tell him to stop the board exam, forget the board exam. Get this girl's operation done right now, he said. तो ये सब within 5 minutes हुआ, and we left from there. मतलब we were really in a shock. We didn't express it in his clinic, but जैसे हम लोग बाहर निकले तो it was like a very big shock to us.
जैसे ये न्यूज़ मिली तो हमारा तो मतलब जो
हालत
जो हुई है सोचकर कि लाइक व्हेन यू कम टू नो दैट ये ब्रेन ट्यूमर डायग्नोज हुआ है, वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. ही केम एंड टोल्ड मी कि डॉक्टर ने बोला यहाँ पे दे विल कट फ्रॉम हियर एंड दे विल ऑपरेट. मतलब ये सब सुनना फॉर अ पेरेंट्स वी कांट जस्ट एक्सप्रेस,
बिकॉज़ जनरली ब्रेन सर्जरी क्या होती है,
ऊपर नीचे हो गई सुन के. लाइक इट वाज अ लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग सर्जरी आल्सो.
It is, definitely. It is life threatening. तो next day he told us in fact कि go prepared कि अगर हमें वो डॉक्टर मिलता है, he said you beg borrow steal, उसके पैर पड़ जाओ, जो भी करो, you tell him we want to get operated right now, and you go prepared कि अगर वो बोले कि एडमिशन ठीक है अभी हम करेंगे, अगर आज करेंगे तो आज ही कर लो, आज एडमिट होना है तो आज ही. So we made up our mind and हम prepared होके गए थे. So she took her clothes along. We went to the hospital, Leelavati Hospital, the next day. It was a Tuesday. Luckily he visits twice in a week. We went there. Appointment was at 3 o'clock. We reached the hospital by around 1:32, and the wait started. It was like 3 बज गए, 4 बज गए, 5 बज गए, 5:15 बज गए, 5:30 हो गए.
The compounder was calling him again. He was in OT that time.
He said कि first पहले उनका assistant आया. He saw the reports. He said need not worry. It is over here. Eyes के ऊपर forehead पे है. Basically it is on the pituitary glands.
And they won't the first thing मेरे को relief जहाँ पे मिला, said we will not cut and do the operation, we will do through endoscopic
nose and mouth. तो वो थोड़ा सा रिलीफ हमें मिला, बट वी वर स्टिल वेटिंग. ही सेड कि आप बाहर वेट कीजिए. सो जो मेन डॉक्टर है डॉक्टर अतुल गोयल, हु इज द मेन सर्जन, ही इज वेरी वेल नोन न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट सर्जन, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सर्जन्स इन एशिया. दिस वुड बी रियली हेल्पफुल अगर किसी को कोई न्यूरो सर्जन के पास अगर जाना है. सो डॉक्टर अतुल गोयल इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट न्यूरो सर्जन अवेलेबल इन मुंबई, और आई वुड से इन एशिया. सो जब भी उसने देखा तो ही आस्क्ड फ्यू क्वेश्चन, जनरल क्वेश्चंस, एंड देन उसने बोला कि जूही को बाहर जाने के लिए, एंड जूही वेंट आउट. एंड देन ही सेड कि इट इज़ अ लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग ऑपरेशन, यू गेट हर एडमिटेड एंड लीव इट टू अस. आई asked him few questions, but he said मुझे questions मत पूछो, don't ask me any questions, just leave it to me, I am a surgeon and I will do it. So we got her admitted that night, Tuesday night. Wednesday we'll get her operated. So then it all started. उसको एडमिशन वगैरह कराई उसकी. We got, and then the time I think fixed was about 12-1 o'clock. But since he's such a famous surgeon, क्या होता है कि कोई भी slot अगर मिलता है available, so he's been given the preference. We were lucky कि वो भी हमें खाली मिल गया slot, and then the surgery also started early. The surgery lasted for about I think
2.5.
He said it is going to be a big surgery, but it lasted about 1.5 hours or something. He came out, we were waiting. Once he comes out, we were waiting outside the operation theatre, सारे wait कर रहे थे, and he called us. So he was very happy basically. He said don't worry, the operation went off very well. And luckily,
she was also fine. Juhi was also
luckily
fine.
the tumor which they removed, he said मैंने आज तक कभी ऐसे इतना clean tumor नहीं देखा है. Generally वो बोलता है कि आज 40 years of experience he has, तो बोलता है हमें ट्यूमर देख के ही पता चल जाता है कि किस टाइप का ट्यूमर है. एंड ही सेड डोंट वरी, द ट्यूमर विल बी बिनाइल, बट यू नो एज अ प्रोसेस वी हैव टू सेंड इट टू हिस्टोपैथी उसका टेस्ट वगैरह करने के लिए, एंड देन अगेन गेट अ रिपोर्ट एंड रिकन्फर्म. सो एटलीस्ट दैट वाज अ बिग रिलीफ फॉर अस. इट डिडंट एंड हियर. जब ऑपरेशन हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, she was fine. She came back to her senses. She was recovery room se we brought her to the ward. What we noticed was her left hand and her left leg was not moving. So we spoke to him. He said नहीं, थोड़ा सा, since it's a brain surgery, brain के साथ थोड़ा सा भी उसको, it is not like any other surgery, क्योंकि it is like वो बोलता है कि वो छेनी हथौड़ी मार के ऐसे हम कर नहीं सकते. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी डेलिकेट ऑपरेशन, एंड ब्रेन इज थोड़ा सा भी उसको अगर आप ये करते हो तो बॉडी पे पूरा, बिकॉज इट कंट्रोल्स द एंटायर बॉडी, एंड इट वाज ऑन द पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड जैसे मैंने बताया. एंड पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड बेसिकली कंट्रोल्स द हार्मोनल हार्मोन्स. मैनी आई थिंक 5 to 6 ऑर्गन के कंट्रोल्स, हार्मोनल कंट्रोल्स है उसमें. वी थॉट कि फिजियोथेरेपी वगैरह करवा के इट विल, शी विल इम्प्रूव. डेज पास्ट, आई थिंक 2 days 3 days, so फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट भी आने लगी, बट
still it was taking
yeah,
time,
it was taking time for her.
Since she had lots of weight, उसको उठाना बिठाना for one person was very difficult. 2 जन लगते थे. There was a caretaker. We had arranged for a nurse in the beginning. हम दोनों को मिलके उसको उठाना पड़ता था, मेडिसिन देना पड़ता था, फीड करना पड़ता था. और
नहीं, फीड अभी नहीं चालू है.
नहीं, post operation she started actually in hospital only. One day was the liquid diet, then there was semi liquid, then they started giving her solid, like very soft food. तब तक she was fine, but then discharge के बाद when we brought her home, it was very difficult. Nurse reject कर देते थे, sorry we can't, they won't be able
to handle her.
because she has got lots of weight. And plus उसका जो speech था was totally like
हाँ,
she had lost her
she
speech
used
at
to-
all, which was concern for us. उसको
वो
जबरदस्ती
बात करना उसने
जबरदस्ती
she used to, you know,
बोलो
जब उसको
हाँ.
पूछते थे तो वो ऐसे हैंड
She
करती
used
थी,
to show sign language, I'm okay,
हम्म,
like whatever.
ऐसे करती थी या ऐसे करती थी. सो साइन लैंग्वेज में उसने बात करना चालू कर दिया था. We spoke to the doctor. He said generally this kind of operations take time to recover completely. Some said कि it takes 2 months, 3 months तक.
Some even told me 1 साल लगता है.
घर आई, it was almost, I think she spent what, a week, 10 days.
10
and then
days because we had follow up day, but
हाँ.
before that only we had to
take her back.
उसे
to
उसे
the
फीवर हो
hospital.
गया. She got cough.
She could not.
she couldn't
uh,
respond. वो alertness और वो respond नहीं, अब तक उसमें improvement नहीं था. So we
she
have
was
to
not
take
eating.
her.
खाना नहीं खा रही थी.
खाना हाँ,
She was not able-
she forgot
was
to
not-
swallow food. She had forgotten to swallow. उसकी वजह से we have to take her back to hospital again and she was admitted. और admit करने के बाद she was on RT tube which helped her a lot. उसके improvement में इतनी help मिली है कि वहीं से
Basically,
सब कुछ.
since she was not able to eat, तो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि you know, we'll have to put RT tube. RT tube basically nose से tube डाल के which directly goes into the stomach, and we had completely stopped giving oral food because बोला कि अगर oral food देंगे तो it can go into the windpipe which will again increase her infection. It might go into the lungs वगैरह. So then they started with the RT feed and everything started from the RT feed. मतलब there was a protein powder which they started giving, even water they started
everything
giving.
after 2 hours.
It was alternate.
And
So
that
protein
helped her a
powder
lot.
and
That
water.
was like it helped her. And after 2 days, I just remember at 3 a.m. at night, she said her first sentence. Mama, I want to go washroom. So I was so happy. I was so overwhelmed. I couldn't express. When I expressed, I was just normal with her. What happened? I was just speaking. What happened? Well, I want to go home. क्या हो रहा है उधर क्या? And she was speaking in a sentence. I remember very well. वो दिन यार तो मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई. The next day मैंने वो उसकी after her sponge and all, I clicked that picture and I circulated in the group of our family and I informed everyone. इसने आज first sentence बोला करके. एक को जब छोटा बच्चा कुछ बात करने लगता है ना, it was that feeling for me. From that day onwards, she was showing lots of improvement by moving her left side of her hand and legs also, and slowly she was gaining strength. फिजियोथेरेपी भी हॉस्पिटल में ही शुरू कर दिया. दैट 2 days ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी ऑल्सो हेल्प हर अ लॉट. उसका हेड का बैलेंस जब वो डिस्चार्ज हुई,
So the second time she stayed in the hospital for almost 9 days.
9 days.
9 days, and after 10th day we took discharge and उसको घर लेके आए.
she was showing improvement
She was showing
on daily basis, and on 1st May she stood up
कृपा
on her own without walker. And it took almost 1.5 months for her to recover. That's it. That was her journey, I guess. अभी भी मतलब medication चालू है, but she has already improved. 10% improvement is left, which she is fighting out now. Exercising daily, meditating.
So let's hope abhi now everything is back on track, and she her life will is back to normal. She will go to college, she will complete her degree and then other professional courses and carry on with her life. We would like to wish her all the best for her future, and big thank you to our family members,
Doctors, everyone
yeah,
who has
so
guided us.
who really मतलब जो जाते थे, मतलब जैसे नंदेड़ गए, अमृतसर गए, पीपल वेंट टू नासिक, साई बाबा के यहाँ पे, सो ऑल दोज प्रेयर्स रियली हेल्प्ड हर टू रिकवर. हम भी मतलब वी यूज टू प्रे एट होम. घर में वी हैव आवर गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब का प्रकाश करते हैं. सो माई फादर डेली अरदास करते थे हम कि वो जल्दी रिकवर हो जाए. एंड येस, विद ऑल दी ब्लेसिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग, येस, शी हैज़ रिकवर्ड. ग्रेट. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक्स टू ऑल आवर फैमिली मेंबर्स जूही के लिए अरदास करने के लिए. थैंक्स टू एवरीवन. वी लव यू ऑल. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद अस.
थैंक यू.
My granddaughter Juhi Kaur Virdi started having problems from July, August, September 2022 when she got in the habit of eating junk fast food on a daily basis. We were on a holiday in Dubai. On our return in September, we realized that she would find some excuse to order out fast food, eat it outside or in her room or in her location, and avoid eating normal food. This led to her adding a lot of weight and becoming lethargic in every activity. During December 22, I took her to MD general physician who prescribed a lot of tests on blood, diabetes, thyroid, lipid test, and then prescribed corrective medicines, suggested diet plan, and insisted on following at least 1 to 2 hours outside activity to change her lifestyle. But things did not follow that way for the next 4-5 months. Addition to lethargic nature, she lost interest in her studies. College she didn't like. She would rush back home. She would rush home after attending just one class, and all the way from Malad she would take an auto many times, or sometimes she won't have that money, so she would get outside the house, come home to collect the money and pay to the auto driver. It landed her into one very serious issue, and later on we were also informed that she forgets many things, keeps repeating some of the things, which put some doubts that she is going through some hormonal disorders. When I discussed this situation with Dr. Kishore Khare, our neighboring doctor, however, we could not take her to an endocrinologist in Mulund, known doctor. We continued with this doctor in Lotus Hospital. Situation was not improving. She had some additional issue of losing bladder control. We took her to urologist. We changed our MD general physician to the diabetologist, who advised us to leave her to her own medicine. Let her do what she likes to do. And in that 2 months, she totally gave up all the activities, going to the class, going to this college, going for walks, and ultimately the medicines given by urologist did not work. He gave an additional stronger dose. Then he suggested a physiotherapist for her exercises to control her bladder. This doctor, along with her wife, after inspecting her and teaching her certain exercises, realized that this is not a problem of physiotherapy but It needs attention of neurologist, and he took, without our permission, he fixed up an appointment with doctor, a neurologist. Against our wishes, we went to the neurologist, got the MRIs done. On 11th March, when the neurologist saw the MRIs, I and my son were with the doctor, who created such an emergency situation for us to admit her to a bigger hospital immediately for a emergency surgery. He fixed up options of 4 hospitals. We chose Lilavati. He spoke to our known doctors. He fixed up our appointment with Dr. Atul Goyal. We went the next day with the intention, as advised by him, to admit her to Lilavati Hospital, where she was operated on 13th March. That was the turning point of our 1.5 years ordeal, where we did not know what exactly was wrong with my granddaughter. The moment we came to know that she had such a serious brain tumor sitting on her optical nerve and it needed an emergency operation, and we got it done. We were very lucky. We are very thankful to our physiotherapist, our neurologist, and Dr. Atul Goyal and his team of doctors, and later on the endocrinologist Dr. Shashank Joshi, to keep a trap on her progress. And we are very fortunate that with the prayers and the blessings and good wishes of our friends and family members, today from 1st May she has started walking on her own, and God has blessed her to lead her normal life, and the day by day she is making a progress toward normalcy, towards her habits, walks, physical activity, studies, her old hobbies of business, small businesses. We wish her all the best. And we also wish to thank all our family members and friends who prayed and blessed with her good wishes for her speedy recovery. Thank you very much.
हेलो, हाय सबको। और जूही का जो स्टार्ट था वो बहुत ही मतलब पता नहीं लग रहा था स्टार्ट मतलब क्या है क्या नहीं। जब पता लगा उस टाइम बाप रे बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब सब डिप्रेशन में चले गए थे और बहुत ही सबकी हालत डाउन हो गई थी। और मतलब जब भी पता लगा ना तभी ऐसे हुआ था कि ये कैसे मतलब कैसे ऐसे। फिर जो भी बाद में फटाफट सब हो गया। फिर उसके बाद वाला जो 1 साल जूही का गया, उसके बाद वाले जो 1-1.5 महीना वो ज़्यादा वो थे कि ऑपरेशन के बाद भी कैसे। फिर हिम्मत उसको मतलब उस बच्चे को प्यार, हिम्मत और खुद बहुत हिम्मत करके ठीक हो गई। पर जो है ना उसके लिए जो याद बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट। 1 साल से बच्ची लड़ रही थी, 1 साल से पता नहीं लग रहा था। जो भी पता लगा तो बहुत हिम्मत से सब कुछ। पर बोलते हैं ना जो पता नहीं होता, अपने से भी बहुत सारी हो जाती गलतियाँ, वही हुआ है। पर वो ठीक हो गई बाद में, बहुत अच्छा सब कुछ बहुत सही हो गया। पर आँख से देखना ब्रेन ट्यूमर वाला पेशेंट और ब्रेन ट्यूमर वाला बच्चा या लड़की या लड़का जो भी अपने सामने, वो आँख से देखना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है। जो कहीं जगह से अपनी वीडियो देखते कि ये ऐसे हो सकता है क्या, ये नहीं, ये लोग एडिटिंग करते ये करते, नहीं। आँख से देखना मतलब मैंने खुद खुद वो बच्चे को महसूस किया है पूरा 1 साल, बहुत ही मतलब हिम्मत के साथ, और बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब उसको संभालना खुद के बच्चे जैसा बहुत करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि उसको खुद को पता नहीं होता है बच्चे को, और वो बच्ची में भी बहुत हिम्मत है कि उसने खड़ी हो गई 2 महीने में ऐसे।
So yeah, this is basically the last emotional video you're seeing. आगे जाके I'm just going to make all positive content for your, पर मुझे ये personally share करना था because many people are going through you know their own battles. जैसे मैंने बोला depression हो गया, anxiety हो गया, which needs to be issued. People need to seek help for that. Last but not least, before ending this video, I have 2 lines just to say. The road to recovery was far from easy, as there were moments of fear, uncertainty and pain, but through it all there was immense courage and resilience. And yeah, here I am standing stronger than ever. The journey did leave its scars, but it also taught me invaluable lessons such as gratitude, perseverance and the power of human spirit. To anyone out there who's facing their own battle, know that you are not alone. Keep fighting, keep shining, and never underestimate the strength within you. Thanks for joining me in this journey today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You know that makes me happy. So yeah, until next time, stay strong and keep shining. Bye.